this video, I will show you how to create video game survey. First, you need to click extensions, Coffee form and load form template. Now you can search video game survey. Like this, after you found it, just click load selected template. And then you can check the dashboard, responses, questions and the settings. And just refresh the page and click Coffee form and then get link. And just click continue here and then go to your account, click advanced and go to Coffee form. And now just click allow. And you will get a link like this, just copy it all and paste it on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also custom the questions or anything in the form. Like for example here I want to insert new row. And I use text for example and just copy the text. And change, for example I change age into name like this. And go to your form. And it will show like this in the form. Or you can also change the type into radio button for example, and change for example what's your gender, and don't forget to fill the options too, like male or female like this. So it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so the row will disappear like this. And go to settings to change the background color of your form and pick any color that you want like this, so it will change instantly. Also you can give a style for the title. For example here I use mark behavior. If you want to do that, just follow the step like this. For example scroll mount I use 25 here, or you can pick your number. And don't forget to close the code /mark like this. And after that go to your form, and now the title is moving. Thank you.